Well, it looks like the Autel Evo 2 is delayed. That's all coming up next. Hey everyone, Bill from BillTheDroneReviewer here, where I make drone and drone-related videos. If you're new here, welcome, and consider subscribing so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Now, do you remember what happened when the Autel Evo 1 came out? Well, they introduced it at CES. In February that year, there was the announcement of the FCC Grant ID database where we received pictures and information, and it didn't make it into consumers' hands until the end of June, late July that year. Now, I'm sure a lot of you remember Yogi Berra, the famous baseball player. He was known for his famous sayings as well, and one of them was deja vu all over again. Well, that kind of looks like what we're experiencing right now. Now, I'm going to throw a slide up on the screen as Autel had posted a statement out on their Facebook page. Now, I'm not going to read it in its entirety, but I'm going to share one of the paragraphs with you regarding this. Now, the paragraph reads, "Our goal at CES was to get the initial units of Evo 2 8K into the hands of dealers by the end of January. Unfortunately, during production, we found a bug in our software that could limit flight performance under normal operation. Instead of shipping the hardware with a known issue and forcing users to perform day one updates, we've decided to delay the rest of production and shipments until we've resolved the issue. Our projected timeline is to have Evo 2 available for purchase in March. This is not a set date or time frame, and things can always change. But with the information we have today, that is our goal." Now, I'll go ahead and post a link to Autel Robotics Facebook page so you guys can go ahead and check that out at your leisure. Now, here's my thoughts on this. Number one, I got to give some kudos to Autel for them being transparent on this. Back in when the Evo 1 came out, they were not transparent. We found out information via the FCC Grant ID database, and then that went from February till the end of June, beginning of July, before the actual product was in hand. So kudos to Autel for doing that. And number two, I'm also going to pass on some kudos to Autel for this. You could see, in the letter, and I didn't share this with you, the one part where it's, the response has been overwhelming. So that they would have been literally flying out the door. This is one thing, I get questions on this every day, how to go ahead and pre-order the Autel Evo 2. So that this had to be enough of an issue that Autel put the brakes to this, that they want to get this addressed and corrected in a timely manner. So again, kudos to Autel for doing this information and getting this information out there. Question of the day. What do you think of this delay for the Autel Evo 2? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly. So lucky to